Welcome to our channel. Today I hope to show you how to clean the jack socket, the headphone jack socket in the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G phone. So we'll start with the fact that the phone must be completely turned off. The phone cannot be on because it could get damaged. So once the phone is turned off, we need a round brush like this. In addition to that, we need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol to soften the dirt, so we can clean everything thoroughly and then it will evaporate and leave no residue. You can buy a whole set with these kinds of brushes on Allegro or Amazon. That's what we use, so you can buy it for yourself and use it as well. So once we have everything ready, we take the alcohol and spray the brush so it's wet along its entire length. It's about 3 centimeters long. If you don't have a diffuser, just dip the brush in a small container of alcohol. Then we can start cleaning. We take the phone like this. Here we have the jack socket. First, we carefully insert the brush all the way to the very end of the tube, and then we turn it firmly to the right for 5 full rotations, followed by turning it to the left 5 more times, before slowly pulling it back out. To ensure the best results, we need to repeat this entire cleaning process about 5 times in total. Insert it, turn 5 times to the right, 5 times to the left, and pull it out. Insert it, turn 5 times to the right, 5 times to the left, and pull it out. Insert it, turn 5 times to the right, 5 times to the left, and pull it out. After the procedure, leave the phone for about 15 minutes so that the alcohol can fully evaporate from the jack socket, and then everything will be ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in the next video.